Hey guys, Alex here from Black and Yellow Pavement, and I want to give you my top 3 reasons why you should seal coat your parking lot. Number 1, to save money. But doesn't it cost money to seal coat your parking lot? Of course it does. But if you don't seal coat your parking lot now, you're going to end up spending 5 times the amount of money later. Number 2, safety. If you've got potholes everywhere, not only can somebody get hurt, but guess who they're coming after if they fall and get injured? That's right, you. You need to keep your parking lot in great shape. Not only is it going to keep your employees safe, it's going to keep your clients safe, but most importantly, it's going to keep your pockets safe. Number 3, everybody loves seal coating. I mean, who doesn't love a freshly seal-coated parking lot? Am I right? It's gonna boost morale for everyone. Your employees are gonna have a pep in their step. It's a no-brainer.